point like go for the dear.
And I saw them in Judy. Maybe crying at me minty boy now. He primary crime and somebody whoa, mama, jeans, son, now.
Hey, Mama.
Yes.
Where you been?
Oh, I went to the salon to change my hair.
Oh wow, that's why I haven't seen you this morning. This your hairstyle too is nice. It's very, very, very nice.
Thank you.
You know that guy, that hip hop artist, Busum Young.
I've heard the name, but I don't.
He has got this same hairstyle. That guy who did Atajua. Oh, don't you know him?
No.
Oh, he's been all over the internet. Atajua hitmaker.
Really?
Serious. It's a very nice hairstyle. Just keep this style.
Okay, thank you.
I like it.
Anyway, it's Chinese side.
Oh yeah, he's in there. All right. Be quick or he will finish the problem.
The drum maker, I see say life be expensive, but he be faking kwa. I see say life be expensive, but he be faking kwa. I do man di one di wo why? I do man di one di wo why? Na I see say life be expensive. But if you faking kwa, I see say life be expensive. But if you faking kwa, I do want to do one and do why.
Any more coin in for Hawaii. Okay. Hey.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm good. See, even if I'm not good, as I see your face, automatically I have to be good, you know.
Anyway, I wanted to discuss something with you.
Oh, really? What is it?
I've called my bank to transfer money into my account, but it's not yet in, and I need the money very urgent. Can you borrow me at least 2,000 Ghana cedis?
Like,
when it comes, I'll give
you mean you need 2,000 cedis?
Yeah.
So this was the problem? Oh, it's not a problem.
Are you
Just
sure?
2,000 cedis.
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. Just that I don't have it right now.
I need the money very urgent.
I know. Okay, let me forward to you. It's on my wallet.
I'm also not having a Momo account number.
Okay, let's check if you get a merchant over there.
Okay, I have
That
a friend.
Johnson.
No, I have a friend who has a Momo account number. So let me give you the number so that you can send it.
Okay. Let me. Okay, wait. 0248. Yeah. Transfer 2,000. Jumbo something.
Yeah, that's the name. She's a lady, but that's her Momo account name.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm very sure. I even sent her money just last 2 weeks.
Okay.
The name that I sent it on.
Okay, if you know the person, I'm cool, but I was a little bit confused because jump some pem there.
I really appreciate it.
Sent.
Okay, I've seen it.
Yeah, payment made for 2,000 to jump.
Please don't let Shine knows about this.
Oh no! Oh, how am I going to do that? This is a session between me and you. So you just don't worry. Chill,
That's
okay?
why I like you.
I like you too.
Okay, thank you
Alright.
so much.
Alright.
And anyway, I promise you that when the money arrives, I'll add additional thousands to the
Oh,
money.
don't worry.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
All
I'm
right,
going
all right.
inside to call and
Okay,
check.
okay. I'm also waiting
All
for
right,
you.
really appreciate it.
Okay. I'm a Tundra. Mimi 2,000 Ghana cedis. Ha la la. Na, just say ye di sumo fidie. Na ya 3 pounds no. Ye 3 pounds no free mo ho. Mesre. Na Nyankopon boa. Na nadamfo no so nya beduru oman yi mu. Ewo Kumase. Na me grepo no se won kona ho a. Na bro say yes. Me official session man kasa me na me control session wo Ghana. Sure. Me put I go official.
Offer. Aye. Mama obi asende 2,000 sisia wo mobile account nim. Aba. Okay. Wonim de obey. Share mo Wall Street on home. Aha. Na me sha na me ankasa me transfer ngu me phone ne so. I may transfer ko me mobile money ni mo. Mate 5 minutes so. Ne mo fa hye. Sa number na send u sika no. Hye ne frɛ wo one pick da. Wo de be yakra me sha kra me block sa number no. Ai. Mate. Ofa wo de la line na me hia wa me bu ma kro. Ai ti be ba sesia.
Ejuma na di mi akome ho kala we oba we so go no wa obebra wo kala we oba we so go no wa obeku wo me mbese meka mo bi ase ejuma na di mi akome ho wo mada kala we oba we
Ofa. Hey, my bro. Oh, funny way. Hey, bro, my bro.
Oh, Timmy. I didn't know we had said, mention that Tiasi, corner when we can, no Tiasi. 20 million, wouldn't 20 million here
for business na me no. Business na me de ma akohyem ni first control e apai no.
First day
control.
I don't see that there.
Of a me che, wo de me kire wase. Fa phone ma
and 20 million control.
Oh. Of a winning baby, may transfer 1,500 about my phone so. Major 500 cedis send a bear do here be now they are top. Why?
Who just say 5 million?
Oh, 5 million. We crazy for about manage mommy.
Debbie also. Now me see so brother na me boy ya me 5 million just seconds. Hey. Mama mo why are there? No fast no me see form da.
Na mum. Send am sika kire wo no. Number na send you size can.
Come say me friend
me akra hey offer so kwa say ja. Wo be friend wa ya dona se me friend dey asem na me ka che wo be friend na me dey me pay hihye animo. We yes ala we wan hwa me minya me de be fa baby fufura akogye o.
And you no money free me phone so.
Wo dey me kra we mi jama akra wa ankasa kra wo nsa be kwa ko mistake. Me block number no.
Na you free so kra say.
Me block na me delete mu hu na kira kwan.
Let's what different number friend me so.
And me kra wa kai me. She if we na koi different number bia no e fra wa e was all pick strange number bia won save ye no em pick me di am din so en se adwuma ne be sen e pa cho nti ma ye bibia weji on bibia na me fra wa cho so yo na ha kro benya ka
Debbie me fa fom
eh wo
me fa fom say sika no I was say me de eto go boa no tu me sere wo say
me kra me yo ba ma wa mi ka wa e bia obe ba kra na wo de me ko ai wa me ya de wo cho so yo
wo so wo si yo hwa wo si ye na wo nya me kra che ko aba o ma ba tu ne Ghana ha no oh radi why are you papa na mo fa si de ko so na ma na twini ma ni nyansa eni ni ndie ne bo ne kwa wo bai se de be ya wo betimi age control abre me na me hwehwe de abo me bla ma tundura me hye wan kama wu ama hwaso na kwa why
life be expensive but if you fake it see say life be expensive but if you fake it you man dey one and you why and you man dey one and you why I see say life be expensive but if you fake it I see say life be expensive but if you fake it you man dey one and you why and you man dey one and you why me mbese meka mo bi ase
Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to buy you fruit juice, fruit drinks. You know, all your fruits are finished, and I have to buy you apple,
You're
grapes.
such a darling.
Thank you.
That's why I love you so much.
And love you
Because
more.
you always pamper me.
Yeah, I have to pamper you because you are my heart
It's
desire.
pamper.
I have to pamper you because you are my heart desire.
Okay.
You are my everything. You are the apple of my eye.
Oh.
You are, in fact, you are the mattress that I sleep on it.
I'm flattered.
Don't be. You are the car I used to go to everywhere I go.
Okay. Choi.
Yeah.
I wanted to tell you something. That,
Okay.
I need a cheat teacher. Someone who can, like, teach me how to speak the Ghanaian language.
Wow, a tree teacher?
Yeah, Ghanaian language.
Why you want to learn the tree language?
Yeah, cause it's been 3 weeks that I came and I've not been able to understand and even speak even a word.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good idea because as for me and Le James Crano, the speaking of English is heavy and fantabuita for us to speak.
Oh, then I'm sorry.
Yeah, we are not English addicts. So we are forcing to speak the English. It's not our talent.
I want to learn how to speak the Chi because they have been pursuing me here and there.
Okay, then I'll go to School of Languages to get you one best tree teacher who can teach you a tree at least a week. You can speak a better tree.
Yeah, I want it.
Oh,
I'll be very glad.
Don't worry. I'll go. I'll do such a thing for you, and I'll pay everything for you. Yeah, he will come here and teach you always and always.
Thank you.
Yeah, this time passes the time. I'll try and pass by and talk with them. So don't worry.
Okay.
So okay, see you soon. Okay.
Alright, drive safely.
Okay.
Don't keep long. I'll be missing you.
Oh, I'll miss you too. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
In a few minutes.
Alright, then I'm going inside.
You are going inside?
Yes.
Oh, you can continue
No,
snapping.
I'm done. I'm going inside to take a nap.
Okay. Then,
Take care.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Alright, you too.
Okay. This is called a lady. This is a lady any man wants. Many ministers in everywhere. I only have a day. My cat was saying, this time around, no, sir.
Saturday.
Me see me need time for Sunday man.
Now
I can be out here, won't you?
say time for mommy.
Me not time man say. Say no problem, say. It won't mean Tima Sama make can I say.
Oh, daddy, I drag things too far. Now say time, mommy. Why should I not me now? She fiti ya now, mommy at tea. What can I be feeling say? I be feeling.
And come feel say. Feel mommy can see me chiro. Ma dika mo ya we say I'm into business. Right now, no. You are my girlfriend, but also mommy focus on business na me no. And then I brabo man you am person me business no person me. Mommy time. Me too kwan aba. Mommy mfra say bia oh my bedru. Say ufitin ya wo se maba. O person obom me form na o twe mabrabo na akọ akiri.
Me nchi wa brabo nkọ akiri o. For Christ's sake, me nya o should that be o. Me na me your sanke be o de. Girlfriend for Christ's sake. Oh.
She. O de Christ di say ba asem we. Na say me business name collapse.
O de ye nka bibia bo.
O de me call me frɛ Kofi me frɛ. Why? Just because I say me see me frɛ. Yes, I'm crying. Also, sign cool because right now, no baby, any part of the dano. And you be no more dear no. Sure, what could can university today? National University, some nowadays brought for me so. The shop bar, you can eat bar, chronic papers. I didn't bring me. Asa, in your face now, oh, Baba did me test be out. We mistake cry and you make to her. Me twa ma bra bon kwa akiri wo se me wu yuki ba
here. Me say open here, or body like me.
What's that?
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Me also here.
Thank God.
See, open here.
Oh.
Yourself. No, yourself is yeah, me, say I am media, if it's me, it's me.
Can you please translate it in English?
I say, how are you?
I'm good, and you? Oh.
I had the tree, the tree. Tewe e.
I know that word.
Say tewe e. Tewe e. Tewe e. Yes, don't clean your face. Me muna wenu. That's what I said. Me muna wenu. Yes, I know. Say tewe e and you smile.
Tewe e.
Yes.
She say life be expensive, but if you fake it, she say life be expensive, but if you fake it, I do money be one and you why? I do money be one and you why? I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, I do money be one and you why? I do money be one and you why? Me mess up my car,